Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs and apps in Windows 11 and 10. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and search for Geek Uninstaller. Click on Zip and download it. Right-click. Run as administrator. Here we will see all the programs that we have downloaded. Simply select the one you want to uninstall and right-click on it. Now click on Uninstall. And in case you cannot uninstall it, click on Force Removal. Automatically, the program will delete the app or game and start scanning the remaining files of the app. In case you have any remaining files, you can remove them as well. In my case, Among Us had no remaining files. Now, you can leave Geek saved for future uninstallation. If you found the video helpful, give me a shout out in the comments and leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks!